How to know if you have been blocked by someone on Facebook. In this video, I'll show you step by step on how to know or how to check if someone has blocked you on Facebook. So to know that, all you have to do now, after you open your Facebook app like this, so now you can tap on this search at the top. After you tap on this search, all you have to do now, you can go ahead now and search for the person name. So let's say I'm just guessing someone blocked me, so I'll just tap on this search. I'll type his name. So after you type in the person name or the person that you are just suspecting he blocked you, you can tap on the person name and tap on this people section. If you come to this section now, if the person has blocked you, you cannot be able to see his name in this section. As you can see now, if the person has blocked you, you can't be able to see his name even if you are friends before. So all you have to do now, you can tap on this back arrow. So if you scroll to down in this section, all you cannot be able to see anything about him. You can't be able to see his post, or you can't be able to see his story all on your Facebook account. So the only method you can follow to fix this problem is to find your friend's phone. After you find your friend's phone, so you can go and search for the first name on your friend's phone. So after you search for the first name on that phone, so if you collect your friend's phone, you can open his Facebook account and search for the first name like this. If you search for the first name, go to this people. Under these people now, you can be able to see the person name among the people that Facebook gives you. If you found out the person that you are just suspecting he blocked you on your friend's Facebook account, that means that this is a clear method of finding or of looking for someone who blocked you. So from that, now you know that person has already blocked you on his Facebook account. That's the only method you can be able to follow to find out who blocked you on Facebook.